Hello, today I'll discuss how to install OpenFoam in Windows 11 using Docker. So for doing that, I have to go to Docker website, and from here you have to simply download Docker desktop and you have to install it in your Windows system. So once it is installed, you can see the Docker desktop shortcut will be created, and you just have to click on that. So once you run Docker, you can come to Windows PowerShell, and here you have to open one terminal, and here you can see the terminal of Windows PowerShell. Next, the next step is to pull a Docker container or Docker image from you have to pull the Docker image from this Docker hub. And for that you have to search by going into Docker hub. You just have to write OpenFoam, and here you can see there are number of Docker images, and here you have to pull this image into your system. So for that you have to copy and this image is successfully pulled from the Docker hub, and the next step is to run that container. And here you can see the container has started, and let's say if I will click simple form, you can see it is showing OpenFoam and version 7. So this directory has a write permission uh, for any generated files from OpenFoam simulations. So what we have to do, we have to copy the tutorials files from a different directory into this directory, into the OpenFoam root directory. So from here I will just show you where the files are there. Here you can see the files are in directory inside opt there is OpenFoam 7. So I will directly copy all the contents of this opt directory into the root directory. So for that I will run this command. So by running this command, uh, the all the contents of this opt directory will be copied into home OpenFoam. And if you do ls here, you can see the OpenFoam files are copied from the opt directory into home OpenFoam. So the next step, I'll enter into one example simulation. So incompressible, then simple form and it's ready. Okay. Here I'll first run block mesh. No, not from this directory. I'll just go back into the root directory. You can see if I'll run simulation from this directory, it is showing you don't have write permission. So I already copied into the copied all the files into the root directory. I'll simply run enter home. Yes. Now I will enter into OpenFoam 7 tutorials, incompressible, simple form, and one example it's tally. Okay, now you can see there is 0 constant and system folder, and from here you can do block mesh for mesh generation. Here you can see the mesh is successfully generated, and next I will run simple form. Yes, the solution is converged into 88 iterations, and we successfully installed OpenFoam using Docker in Windows 11. Thank you.